how to see archive story on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can see your archive story on Facebook. So let's get started. So on this process, firstly you'll have to open the Facebook app and log in with your account. So simply open it, and now from here you'll have to go with the option three line just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you'll have to scroll down and go with the option setting and privacy. And now from your settings, okay, so from here you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like activity log. So it will under the your activity section, so simply tap on the activity log. Okay, so from here you'll have to go with the drop down which indicates your Facebook activity, so simply tap on it. And now from here you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like stories. So now from here you'll have to go with the drop down, so simply tap on it. Alright, so after tapping on this storage section, you will got options to view all of the archive storage on your Facebook account. So simply you have to go with the options archive storage, so simply tap on it. Alright, so now in this section you will be able to see your archive storage on Facebook. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.